Good morning, everyone. Myself, Janish Shah, Assistant Professor at LJ College of Engineering and Technology. In a previous lecture, we studied about that how can we convert infix expression into postfix using infix to postfix algorithm. We have seen next character, infix, then reverse polish, rank, and each and everything, as well as we have seen about the tabular method to convert our infix expression into postfix expression. Okay, students, that algorithm is for only without parenthesized expressions. Okay, so now in our today's lecture we are talking about the parenthesized expression. Okay, so how can we convert infix to prefix or infix to postfix expressions or infix to postfix of with parenthesized expression. Okay, so let's begin. So we first see outlines of the today's lecture, that is precedence table for with parenthesized method. Students, you have already learned the precedence table for the without parenthesized method. Now today we are going to learn precedence table for with parenthesized method. Okay. The next one is direct method. Okay. Then direct method to solve infix to prefix, tabulation method or using stack method. Okay. So let's begin. The precedence table for with parenthesized expression is like this. So here, see, here in the with parenthesized expression, that means your expression contains brackets. Okay, like a plus b, b plus c, d minus e. Such type of brackets are contained by the expression. So it is very much emphasized on brackets. So same like as previous precedence table, the plus minus contains the lowest precedence, above it division in star, above it dollar arrow caret, then ABCD. Okay, but the bracket contains the higher precedence, but it depends on its position. Okay, sometimes it depends on the position that where you are stand. Same like that, if brackets are outside the stack, if brackets are outside the stack, the precedence of bracket is very much higher. And when the brackets are inside the stack, the precedence of the brackets are low. Okay, so students, here we have two different precedents. Okay, if you aware about the exponential operator's precedence, I always used to say that exponential operator's precedence is higher outside the stack, and when it goes inside the stack it becomes lower. Here it is an example of the same thing. So students, you need to refer how to learn this table, okay, or how to remember this table is very much easy. See, the first column shows the operators or the symbols, next column shows the precedence inside outside the stack, next column shows the function g that shows precedence inside the stack, and the last column shows rank. See, plus minus, outside the stack precedence is 1, inside the stack it is 2, division star, outside the stack it is 3, inside the stack it is 4. Then for the exponential operator, the outside the stack is 6, inside the stack is 5. For ABCD 7, 8. For opening bracket, for opening bracket it is 9, and for closing bracket it is 0. Fine, clear. So in our previous example, in our without parenthesis expression, the precedence of any symbol is same inside the stack and outside the stack. But here, just remember it, precedence of every symbol is different inside and outside of the stack. Now, how to remember this? You can remember this table such like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 5 and 6. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0 dash. Fine. You can remember this table such like this. Okay. Now there is no rank of opening brackets and closing brackets, same as the hash sign. Okay. So let's begin. Some points keep into mind is number one, as you go from plus minus to the variables, the precedence become higher, same as without parenthesized expression. And if you found plus minus division star dollar arrow caret, each and every operator precedence are different inside the stack and outside the stack. Okay, so let's move forward. The next slide is some points to remember or how can we solve the with parenthesized expressions. So the first one is to convert the infix to prefix or infix to postfix. For with parenthesized method, first you need to solve the inner bracket, right? Then we need to focus inner bracket. Like we have equation like a plus b in bracket, inside its bracket c minus d. So first equation we need to solve insider bracket or inner bracket of the equation, but with the same rule as without parenthesized expression. The rules are, if you are converting infix to postfix or infix to prefix, first you need to solve an operator which has the higher precedence. If if the operator has the same precedence, then go from left to right, and if the operator contains a different precedence, okay, like if the operator are exponential operators, then go from right to left. Fine. These all are the basic rules that you have already studied in without parenthesized expression. Okay, so now I'm not going in deep, so let's move forward. Another points to remember, same as same as previous, if the operators are dollar arrow or caret, go from right to left. If operator are plus minus or division star, then choose from left to right. Now next is how to convert infix to postfix with parenthesized direct method. Okay, this is not a tabular method, this is direct method. Okay, so how can we solve this? The first equation is bracket a plus b star c. See students, here I have already do underline over here, but this equation will be executed first. Why? Because it has brackets. According to the rule, according to the rule, from first plus and star, from plus and star has a higher precedence. So we need to solve it. But wait, here a plus b is in brackets. That brackets are known as parenthesized. Okay, parenthesis. So we need to solve the bracket first. So what will happen? We need to convert the infix expression into postfix. Then at the time you just need to combine two variables and put operator sign after the second operand. So it will become ab plus star c. Okay, so now we need to solve ab plus as one operand, c as another operand, and star is operator. So what becomes ab plus and c combined together, ab plus and c combined together, and put star after c. So the answer is ab plus c star. Okay, so isn't it easy? It is same like infix to postfix without parenthesis method, but the rule is here only that we need to solve inner bracket first. Okay, make it clear. Now the next example is a plus opening bracket. Okay, for I always say problem like this: a plus opening bracket, then b minus opening bracket, c division d closing bracket, dollar e closing bracket, star f. Okay, this is our problem. Now from this whole statement we need to solve bracket first. Don't focus on operator, first focus on the brackets, then inside the bracket focus on the precedence of the operators. Okay, now what is the insider bracket? C division d, C division d, so we need to solve C division d, combine C and d, put division sign after d, it will become cd division, cd division. Now see the brackets, what happened? Inside of the bracket we have b minus cd division dollar e, again b minus cd division dollar e. Fine. So here listen, here We need to execute dollar first because the precedence of the dollar is higher than any operator, and this whole equation is inside only one parenthesis, only one brackets. Okay, so we need to solve this. So combine CD division and E and put dollar after E. So the equation will become CD division E dollar. CD division E dollar, it is one operand. Now it is one operand. Still, still our brackets are there. Still brackets are there. Again solid B minus D division E dollar. It will become BCD division E dollar minus BCD division B, and combine this whole term. B and combine this whole term. So B CD division E dollar, put minus after it. Next, plus and star. From plus and star. Okay, now is there any bracket left? No. So do as your normal method. From plus and star, which precedence is higher? Which operator has higher precedence? Star. Okay, star. So solve star first. Fine. So we are solving the star first. So BCD division E dollar minus one side. Then combine F and put star after F. So it becomes just like this. Now only one operator is left. Solve it and get your answer. Answer is ABCD division. ABCD division E dollar minus F star plus. Now we have the third question. So A plus B star C minus D plus opening bracket E dollar opening bracket F caret G minus H closing. Fine. Okay, what is the equation? A plus opening bracket B star C minus D closing bracket plus opening bracket E dollar opening bracket F caret G minus H closing. Fine. Is this clear? So what bracket we need to solve first? Sir, that that inner bracket, right? That inner bracket. Okay, so solve it. The inner bracket contains two operators, F caret G, F caret G and minus H, F caret G and minus H. So which operator contains the higher precedence? Minus? Yes or no? No. Which operator contains the higher precedence? Caret, right? Because according to precedence table, plus minus division star dollar arrow caret, it contains the higher position. So solve this first. So we solving FG caret. Okay, FG caret. Now the next is FG caret minus H. FG caret minus H. Still inner bracket is there. Still inner bracket is there. Solid. It becomes FG caret H and minus sign after H. So now we have term E dollar FG caret H minus. Okay. Some students ask me one question. Sir, why are we not solving this bracket? Okay. You can solve it. You can solve it parallelly because both brackets are separate to each other. Both brackets are separate. They are not dependent on each other. Fine. So you can solve it both brackets parallelly. But right now, for my easiness, or I'm not doing any mistakes, I'm just solving the second bracket or the prioritized bracket first. Okay. Now combine E and FG dollar H caret FG caret H minus and solve it. Now now, this bracket has already been solved. So the next is B star C. B star C, combine both of them, put star after it. It becomes A plus BC star minus D plus this equation. Now combine this BC star and D. Combine together, put minus after it. It will become BC star D minus. Now A plus BC star D minus. Okay, this is one equation. Again we have plus over here. So if we have both plus signs, if we have both plus signs, then which we need to solve first? Go from left to right. Go from left to right. So combine both and put plus after it. Okay. So again we are going to solve this first. Plus combine both and put plus after it. Such like this we can solve infix to prefix. Okay, fine. So the next question is, answer is this. Okay. So moving forward to the next topic is infix to prefix with parenthesis direct method. Okay. So student, in infix to prefix, the formula will be the same, that go from solve the equations with inner brackets. Okay. And in prefix, we are just combining two operands. We are just combining two operands and put operator before the first operand. Fine. Okay. So let's start. Here, A plus B star C, A plus B star C. but a plus b is in the brackets. A plus b are in the bracket. So we need to solve the bracket first. Okay, right. So solve it. It becomes plus ab star c. Okay. Next is star plus abc. Combine plus AB and C together, put star before it, it becomes star plus ABC. Now next, A plus B minus A plus opening bracket B minus opening bracket C division D closing bracket dollar E closing bracket star F. Okay, this is our equation. This is our equation. So what we need to do? We just need to solve this. Okay, how? How can we solve this? We just need to solve first inner bracket C division D. C division D. Okay, to solve it. Okay, it becomes division CD. Division CD. Okay, and then solve dollar. So both steps I'm doing combined over here. It becomes dollar division CD. First solve this division CD, then solve dollar. Dollar becomes ahead of division CD, so dollar division CDE. Now again we need to solve plus, minus and star. We need to solve minus because the whole equation is in the bracket. So solve B minus dollar division CDE, combine B and dollar division CDE, put minus before B. Okay, so it becomes minus B dollar CDE. Now we have A plus star F. Okay, A plus this whole term, then star F. So what we need to do? Combine both term, put plus above before A. Okay, it will become this. Okay. Sorry, by mistake. First from plus and star, we need to solve star first because star has the higher precedence. So star becomes ahead of B and F combined with this whole term. Okay, then solve plus. So it will become plus A star minus B dollar division CDEF. Okay. So here we have the third example. A plus B star C minus D plus E dollar F caret G minus H. Same as previous. Okay. I hope you can solve it easily. Okay. So I left this example for your homework. Okay. So moving forward to the next topic. Students, the next topic is condition and process of tabulation method. So see, in our previous topic, we have condition like f of next is less than or equal to f of s of top. F of next is less than or equal to f of s of top. Okay, fine. But here we have two different precedence criteria. First function shows f, that is outside the stack. Second function shows g, that is inside the stack. Okay, so here the condition is if your precedence of next is less than precedence of top, okay, then do pop, else push. Okay, what was the condition for our without parenthesis expression? It was if f of next is less than or equal to f of s of top. If f of next is less than or equal to f of s of top, then pop the variable, else push. But here not less than or equal to, it is less than g of s of top. Okay, why g? G shows the precedence of inside of the stack and f shows the precedence of outside the stack. Fine. Here you have already know that both the precedence inside and outside of the same symbol is not similar. Fine. So there is no chance to write less than or equal to over here. Fine. Okay. So now if the condition is satisfied, then do pop from the stack. Okay, here f of x gives the precedence of element x outside the stack. G of x gives the precedence of s of top inside of the stack. Next is element for the conversion, which will be fetching out with next character function. Okay, whatever they fetch out using next character function will store in the next. This is next character function. Fetch the words or fetch the characters from the infix string, fetching out and store inside the next. Okay. Next is s of top. S of top is the top element of the stack. Okay. So basic rules are here. First, have you remember the previous rules? The tabulation method. We put hash over there. We put hash over there. Hash at two sides. First inside the stack and hash at the end of the string. Okay. The appending hash at the end of the string that shows end of the string in fixed string, and the hash when we put hash inside the stack that shows the beginning of the tabulation method. But here there is no hash. We have opening bracket and closing bracket. Okay, we have opening bracket and closing bracket. Okay, so using these two brackets, we need to continue our example. So here in infix to postfix, I'm repeating this statement. In infix to postfix, we need to start with opening bracket. Is that clear? Fine. Second step, our string will be appended with closing bracket. Okay. The third step, if the top element of stack is greater than next, if top element of the stack is greater than next, then do pop operation. Else push the elements, and if one condition is added over here, if both bracket comes coming together, if one opening and one closing coming together, then then eliminate or pop out each element of the stack until you get opening bracket. So these are the basic rules for the tabulation method. Now in our next lecture we will talk about how our tabulation method works and how the algorithm of infix to postfix works. Okay, till that, if you have any query in this lecture, feel free to ask me. Till next lecture, please keep learning. Thank you so much.